Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add realistic mechanical keyboard sound effects to your Windows computer. It's simple, free and works with any keyboard you already have without buying one. So in order to do that you should go to MacVibes download, just search it here and go to GitHub page, scroll down. Here, releases page. Here you should download this one, MacVibe Setup exe file. I have already downloaded. Next. And let's wait. Finish. As you can see, the application comes up. Here you should select the PBT caps. As you can see, whenever you type something, it has a sound. Thank you for watching. Bye.